Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create EIGRP between indirectly connected routers. In this scenario, we need to create EIGRP among R0, R1, and R2. And as you can see, R1 and R2 are indirectly connected because R3 lies between them. All I have done till now is just creating this topology and assigned IP addresses to the interfaces. I still did not create any EIGRP nor any tunnel configuration. So, to create EIGRP between these two routers, they have to be directly connected or virtually directly connected, and that's what we are gonna do. We're gonna create GRE tunnel between these two routers to make them virtually directly connected. So let's get started. On R2, we are gonna create the GRE tunnel. That's the tunnel configuration, the IP address, and choose any IP address, but it has to be in the same subnet as the other one. And we will also choose the source interface, which is connected to R2 virtually, which is this one, and the destination IP, which is this one. Let's do the same for the other router. The IP address and the source interface and the destination interface. Now, let's verify if this router able to reach this router. Yes, it's able to reach it now. So I have to tell you that this router have to be able to reach each other by static route or by any other way. So this IP 12.3 has to be able to reach this IP by static route, for example, so the GRE tunnel can work. So now let's start configuring the EIGRP. Router EIGRP 100 and all of the three R1, R0 networks. Let's do the same for R1. Router EIGRP1 and all of the three R1 networks, which are 10.10.1 and 192.168.10. And just take a look at this. Take a close look, because we are not going to publish this one. Instead, we are going to publish this one, which is 10.0.0.0 instead of 13.2. And the reason is because this interface is not directly connected to this interface, so they will not be able to reach each other via EIGRP. Let's do the same for this one. And the new adjacency come up. So now let's verify the configuration. Here is the tunnel configuration. Here is the EIGRP configuration. Now let's check if this PC able to reach this PC. Yes, it's able to reach. Now let's trace the route. It takes the other way. So its first hub is 10.10.2.1, which is this one, and the second hub is 11.2, and the third hub is 10.1, and then it eventually reaches the other host. Now, can we force it to go through this to see if it's using this physical IP or this virtual IP? Yes, we can do that. Let's just shut down any of these interfaces. As you can see, its first hub is its direct gateway. It's 10.10.1.1, and then the second one is the GRE tunnel IP, which is 10.0.0.1, and then finally it reaches the other PC. That's all for now. I hope this has been informative for you, and I thank you for viewing.